पर्यटन मंत्री खौंटे दक्षिण गोंयांतल्या पर्यटन क्षेत्रातल्या स्टेक होल्डरांची भेट घेवन तांच्या सुचोवण्यो तशेंच तांच्यो समस्या जाणून घेतल्यो। गोंयच्या पर्यटन खात्याची उदरगत जातली जाल्यार सरकार आनी स्टेक होल्डरांची सुचोवण्यांचे दिवप घेवप जावपाक जाय आनी ताचोच भाग म्हळ्यार ही बसका अशें मंत्र्यान ह्या वेळार सांगलें।
First and foremost, it was a good meeting with the GMs of the South Goa hotels, especially on the coastal belt, to understand their issues and things, apprehensions, and our plans ahead. Sarkar jenna kaam karta, it cannot be only that we are giving or only they are having issues. We need to work together. That's the way we have made it. So on my visit today, I could have a lot of learnings, what they have as it issues, certain apprehensions. The major apprehension becoming the same story of Mopa and Daboli. Coming here and reassuring them about Mopa and Daboli both going together, how the new flights, the new areas have opened up in Mopa, not touching upon anything in Daboli. At the same time, we are trying to focus, like today we are talking about Spirit of Goa festival after many years coming into Kolwa, significantly to give the South Goa the focus. Khaunte, Kepe, हे दोन्ही कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरच्या माध्यमांतल्यान टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट ऑलरेडी काम करपाक मास्टर प्लॅन सुरवात केल्ली आसा। हा नॉटिकल टुरिझम वास्कोचेर वी ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड मुव्हिंग ऑन दॅट लायन अलॉंग विथ MPT. सो एवरी एरिया टू साउथ in terms of new tourism services and infrastructure we are talking about. So we need to understand की economics जे आमच्या बारीक लोकांक हेल्प जाय ताज्या खातीर हांव आसा, सरकार आसा, मुख्यमंत्री आसा आनी ती बिल्डअप करता आसतना हॉटेल इंडस्ट्री कशी बॅलन्स करची, नवे चॅलेंजीस कशे हँडल करचे आनी एप्रिहेन्शन्स ऑर थिंग्स विच दे हॅड वी हॅव क्लियर्ड. वी हॅव ऑल्सो आस्क्ड देम फॉर देअर सपोर्ट to the government in terms of putting and channelizing a lot of thoughts. It's not only the coastal belt but around the south, and I think the reciprocation from everybody intellectually has been a good discussion, and we look forward at solving many of these issues. Many are solved which needed to be informed, and very importantly is the bottom line is दोगांनी बरोबर काम केल्यारूच जाता. इट इज नॉट दॅट हांव करूं तूं कितें करतलो, सरकार कितें करता म्हज्या खातीर, जाल्यार हांव म्हणटा हॉटेल इंडस्ट्री कडल्यान ही अपेक्षा आसता. ताज्या पेक्षा वी वर्क, find out solutions and work together. They have CSRs, they can support us on the beach. They have many things they can work together and find problems to the solution they have. I mean solutions to the problem they have. So things can be done, and that is what we have done. So I think it's quite a good start. They were happy that it's the first time that the government is coming and talking to them. I think it's a welcome step for all of us to sit together, brainstorm and find solutions to the problems in terms of transit systems from Mopa to the south and backwards from south to Mopa, ensuring that the tourists get a good experience and getting regulations in, putting other things together and creating a good tourism ecosystem is our mantra.